Hello YouTube, WJ's Handyman here, and today we're gonna clean the abused and neglected engine. This is the 2010 P7B. I'm guessing it's never been cleaned. 138,000 miles, even up under the hood there is dirty. So basically not a lot of difference from this and cleaning one that's already been cleaned before, except more soap, more time, more getting in all the nooks and crannies. You may need smaller brushes, big brushes, whatever. But anyway, just take your time. Same thing, we're gonna spray soap from all directions, we're gonna scrub from all directions, we're gonna spray from all directions. Major difference being we're gonna start with the inside of the hood here, get that clean, and then wash the engine itself. Just like before, I'm using diluted dish soap and a little soft bristle brush. And I'm going to use a fine mist of water. I'm not going to power wash or anything. So after you blow it dry, put your 303 or whatever protectant you're going to put on the black rubber areas. And then after you've done that, then I suggest that you run the engine long enough to get it up to normal operating temperature, and that'll be your final dry. And doing this, I've never ever had any problems. Chances are, if you're starting with an engine that was this dirty, you may need to clean it more than once to get it perfect, but you should make a huge difference just with the first wash. And then each additional wash you'll get it better and better. And that sticker is on the inside of my engine. I don't know if that's on all of them or if this was a joke or what, but it looks like they're trying to say 5-0. And after a good cleaning, you probably want to grease up your hood latch, both there and on here, to prevent it from squeaking while you're driving down the road. That seems to be a common problem with the Crown Vics. So I'll just let it run till it's hot. That'll dry off any residual water that might still be lurking. It's also helpful that it's 100 degrees today, and that'll help dry it up too. So, hope the video was helpful. Appreciate thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.